In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix ChatGPT file stream access denied. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and fix this. Whenever you go ahead and open up ChatGPT, if you ever get that message, it's going to basically be a bug on ChatGPT's end. So what you want to do is swipe out, go and close it completely, and then try and open it again and see if that works. If that doesn't work, what you can do is go over to your app store, go to the top right where it has your profile icon, scroll down and see if ChatGPT needs an update, and then just press update all, or specifically go to ChatGPT and update that itself. And if that doesn't work, what you can also do is see if ChatGPT is down. You could do this by going over to your browser of choice. And then once you're here, what you got to do is type in status.openai.com. Once you type that in, you're going to go to OpenAI status and basically see if everything's working. You can go to ChatGPT and make sure it's fully working.